Let's take a look at the items needed. Step 1. Measure. Start by finding the centre of the roof. Mark where you want the bottom of the panels to be. Step 2. Find the rafter. Find your first rafter, and from here you can measure out to the rest of the rafters, which are typically spaced 400 or 600mm centres. If you have access to the rafters from the attic space, they can be easily pre-measured, or our tag and scan method can be used. Visit our website for more details on rafter finding. Step 3. Drill the hole. Mark the drill position and drill the first hole with a diamond hole saw. Feel inside to check how central you are on the rafter. Now drop in the SolVe drill guide and pre-drill the 7mm hole. And then re-drill the hole to full depth. Step 4. Install the hanger bolt. Screw in the hanger bolt, it will follow the hole, but try to help keep it straight and central. Step 5. Install the seal and cap. Slide on the seal and collar and place the cap on top. Secure with a nylock nut which compresses and expands the seal, and stop when the cap sits about 3mm above the roof covering, or before the seal expands beyond the cap. Step 6. Repeat. Repeat this process in rows, with a builder's string and T-square to line everything up. Thanks for watching. For more information on our systems, check out our website